Okay, welcome back everybody. So this news follows on from an earlier government press release back in August, with the government announcing the agreement in principle with Novavax and Janssen. So this news builds on that, announcing the NHS is recruiting volunteers for the phase 3 trials of the candidate drug from Novavax to test the safety and effectiveness. The UK government has secured 60 million doses of the Novavax vaccines, which will be manufactured in the northeast of England using Fujifilm Diosynth facilities. The name of the vaccine is NVX-CoV2373. At the announcement of the collaboration, the research and development president at Novavax expressed their optimism, hoping the vaccine will prove to be effective at preventing infection and reducing the transmission of the disease. So briefly, who is Novavax? They are a late-stage biotechnology company that focuses on innovative vaccines to prevent serious infectious disease. The vaccine contains Novavax's proprietary saponin-based Matrix M adjuvant. This Matrix M technology is an agent added to the vaccine to boost the immune response. This then produces more antibodies and longer-lasting immunity in the host, thus minimizing the dose of antigen needed. Novavax was awarded $1.6 billion by the federal government as part of the Operation Warp Speed. This funding will be used to complete late-stage clinical development and establish large-scale manufacturing capable of delivering 100 million doses of NVX-CoV2373, beginning as early as late 2020. The phase 1 to 2 clinical trials of the vaccine initiated in Australia in May 2020. They evaluated 2 intramuscular immunizations of 5 and 25 micrograms of NVX-CoV2373 with and without its Matrix M adjuvant. They found that the recombinant vaccine stimulated robust antibody response in trial participants, which was numerically superior to that seen in patients recovering from the illness. As for safety, it was generally well tolerated, with no life-threatening events noted. Additionally, NVX-CoV2373 was reported stable and will allow handling in a liquid formulation that can be stored at 2 to 8 degrees centigrade. This means once in its final release preparation, existing infrastructure will be used for cold chain management. The phase 3 studies will involve a larger cohort, giving researchers insights into the effects of the vaccine on a much larger population than phase 1 and 2 studies. Half the study participants will receive NVX-CoV2373 delivered in 2 doses, and the other half will receive a saline placebo also delivered in 2 doses. It will be a blinded trial, so none of the participants will know if they're receiving the vaccine or a placebo. The phase 3 clinical trial participants can expect to make around 6 visits to their local trial center over a period of 13 months. Dependent on successful clinical trials, the government intends to start receiving deliveries in 2021, giving priority groups such as frontline health and social workers, ethnic minorities, adults with underlying health conditions, and the elderly. So Novavax are one of many companies working to deliver a viable vaccine. These developments indicate that the global race for a vaccine is approaching a key milestone as we seek results from larger populations in the coming months. That concludes this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.